So there's lots of YouTubes out there on how to use and apply iZotope RX5 and all its features. It has plugins for Final Cut Pro. I use the De-noise feature, which I really like, and it solved a problem I had, so I highly recommend it. At least go check it out. It is a little bit pricey, so it's not going to be for everybody, but doesn't hurt to look. But the reason I'm making this video is I think what I have is a pretty good setup to do home studio stuff, fairly high quality. I have a Audio-Technica 2035 condenser mic here, and it's connected to a Steinberg UR12 sound card. So the UR12 supplies what they call phantom power to run the mic, but then you've got to get the sound out of the UR12 to your camera. So the UR12 has an RCA output. I was able to find a cable that goes RCA to TRS, and that's plugged into the GH4. So everything's hunky-dory. I'm trying that. I'm playing it back. The voice sounds pretty good, but there's always this white noise sound in the background. I'm not an audio engineer. I don't know what's causing it. There's probably something I could do. I learned what I could learn, and I turned the gain on the GH12 down to -12 and compensated that by turning the gain on the UR12 up to get proper audio levels. And I was still getting the white noise. So I took a moment of silence on my Final Cut clip here, and I did a blade and a blade to get nothing but silence. And I applied the De-noise iZotope plugin in the learn mode to the bladed silent clip and put it in learn mode. So it figured out what frequencies it had to get rid of that white noise. So turned it on, works fantastic. I was able to cut and paste that audio enhancement to the other clips, and all of a sudden all my white noise is gone. So I think it's a very cool feature. I'm ready to use it for other stuff. It is one extra step, so until I figure out what my hardware problem is here with the white noise, I'm pretty happy with this. So thank you for watching. This is as quiet as I can make it in this old house. So air conditioner's off. I can hear a little hum from something, but man, the mic should not be picking that up. It is as quiet as I can make it. Again, the gain on the GH4 is set down to -12, and I've got the gain turned up on the UR12 to about 60%. And my mic gauge on the GH4 is not showing any red. It should be hitting about 12. Should be good. Hopefully no white noise. And here's a moment of silence. I don't think I can make it any quieter than this.